everyone, today I thought I'd bring the kids out, go around the woods, see what we can find. Usually we find slow worms and newts and that sort of thing, but I'm not sure it's the weather for it, but we'll see.
They're not meat eaters.
They are, they eat bugs.
Yeah, but their bodies aren't big enough to eat meat. That one's feisty. Dad, the first bug we found was a slow worm.
It's not a bug, is it, Dylan? Slow worm, what is it?
Oh, like some sort of worm.
It's a reptile. Are they snakes? Are they snakes or are they lizards?
Lizards.
Yeah.
Do you think it looks good?
So what do we need to do with this when we've finished?
Put it back where we found it.
Yeah, we do, don't we?
Look, did we find it under that rock?
We did, so we need to put the rock back exactly how we found it.
He got a bit tangled.
And then put it back.
Can I have him back? Dylan,
No.
He got a bit
No, let's not maul him. Let's just make sure.
You can
Yeah?
see his like
Head.
the eyes. Dad, zoom in a bit and then you can like see his eyes.
I don't need to see. Yes, we've not done too bad. We found frogs and toads and slow worms, bugs, some giant horrible slugs. Yeah, I love doing this for the kids. They seem to get quite a lot out of it. They seem to really enjoy it. And I just think it's good to teach them that the nature we've got in this country is brilliant as well, and that they need to look after it. So that's it all done. Didn't find any news, but we found a lot of other things. Kids seem to really enjoy it. So if you like the video, hit the like button. If you didn't, hit the dislike button. Comment, subscribe, hit the bell notifications and all that. And thank you very much, and see you next time. Say bye, Kim.
Bye, Kim.